Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you list important updates about Shopcoin, its price prediction this year, Mega Balloon, and its major sync listings. That is it possible that this meme coin can be the next listing for all tier 1 sync exchanges or not? So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video. But friend, before that, if you not join my Telegram channel, you can also join my Telegram channel for latest other crypto updates that I'm not make them on into my videos. You can see just like these crypto signals. Also, there's I buy some AIXBT coin for short term, also for long term. Also, Pengu coin signal on my Telegram channel. So you can also join my Telegram channel and where you can get all latest crypto updates. You can see I share you Happy Cat after that it pumped by 40% fart I share with you and pumped by more than 80%. Many other meme coins. You can also join my Telegram channel. France, Europe, and other Elon Musk inspired meme coin launched in previous year. You can see its current price of $0.0034, pumped by 19%. Last 24 hour, 44% last 7 days, and 20% pump in last 14 days. Now this is good recovery from this meme coin because this meme coin was badly dumped due to recent market crash. I can see friends $3.2 million market only. So massive dump. Right now market is also very low. $1.9 million trading volume last 24 hour. 1 billion coin supply. 942 in circulation. Ethereum ecosystem meme coin after that launch on Solana and Base also we are 98% down in its all-time high. Okay friends, $0.25 current all-time high. Okay, its price all-time high was on 14th November 4 months ago where from we are 98% down. You can see friends MEXC, Lbank, Get.io, XD.com. These some central exchanges is list this coin, CoinX, Pilex here. If you not have MEXC and Get.io account yet, I provide you both central exchanges. Links in description. You can join both central exchanges where you can buy all newly launched meme coins before listing on major central exchanges. Octane exceed 12,851 holders for this meme coin, 12,800 holders. So number of holders, no doubt, very good. And Uniswap, his highest is supply the 6%. Okay, 6% supply is on Uniswap exchange. That is a Ethereum DEX. Is 5% supply is burned. MEXC holding 3.4% supply. Wormhole Portal Token Bridge holding 1.9% supply, Get.io and another MEX exchange holding 1.7% supply. So top 10 wallets are mostly centralized exchanges wallet. FS60 other wallets has less than 1% of supply, so this is good. Okay, this is no doubt looking good. There's no any value issue looking here. And friends, now my price prediction about Shopcoin is that as this current market, okay, you can see friends, it's just $3.2 million. But because this is Elon Musk inspired meme coin just like KKS, so it's possible that in future if Elon Musk do it about this meme coin again, then we can see this meme coin to skyrocket just like Pepe. As we saw a few days ago, Pepe did 3x within just 24 hours. So it's definitely possible that if Elon Musk can do it about Sharp coin again, then Sharp can also skyrocket here. But friends, in long term, this super low cap meme coin and right now 98% down in its all-time high can be highly risky also but highly rewarded also. I'm already holding this coin on MEX exchange. I buy this coin for just $10 and right now I have only $6 left because of its recent market crash. I'm not going to sell this meme coin soon. I take risk very few dollars here, so I'm going to hold this coin for at least next 6 to 7 months here. In this year super cycle meme coins mega bullion, I think this meme coin has potential at least 3 to maybe $600 million market cap here. What's your price prediction? You can must comment down below.